All right, everybody, still over here on Corrida de Toros, Lightning Dollar Lane. $50 bet on the dollar denom. We dropped it down, and we got the minor, $5,000. Let's see if we can add to it. Here we go. Oh, come on, save it, save it. Uh-oh, guys. Is this all we're gonna get? Nope, saved it. Oh yeah, there's another 150. Come on, save it. 100. Drop that major. Save it. Come on, save it. There we go. Another 150. Come on, save it, save it, save it. Oh, last spin, guys. Can we save it? Can we save it? That's it.
Good job.
Thank you. $6,000, guys. It'll be $6,080 on that $50 dollar denom bet. Thanks for watching.